Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. We're taking a quick look here again at FIL. It's exuding some pretty strong behaviors here. We want to see if it's worthwhile taking a long position with this coin or if it's going to break bearish and shift momentum. We'll talk about that and much more. So if you are new to the channel, welcome on board. I want to say thank you again so much for the awesome feedback from my community. I'm glad things are working well for you here. We took some nice solid profits from Chainlink, Solana, XRP, and ETH for my day trading bot there. And of course, a nice short from 67,000 to 59,000, 70% profit from Bitcoin, and 30% profit from 59,000 to 62. Okay, so again, awesome stuff there. So happy that's working well for you folks. Let's go ahead and see here with liquidation. This is a very common occurrence actually. In fact, if we take a look at this, we see the same thing with Solana and a few other stronger coins right now. That recent high just got swept at 450 and majority liquidation has been satisfied. Okay, so what that does imply in a lot of cases is the price could actually pull back because there's less liquidation to the upside or not as much left. However, we zoom out, we look at the monthly, we can still see there's a pretty solid amount, a good chunk at 4.8. So $4.80 is probably that next target there. So if you consider taking a position, make sure you secure profit somewhere below 480. That's roughly 7% away from the current price. Okay, so just some fantastic stuff there. Again, nice little altcoin relief rally going on right now. Be careful not to just get too crazy with long positions right now, but there are some coins that are exuding some positive signs, and this might be one of those. Let's look at the daily and see kind of where we're at. Objectively, from the bird's eye view, not looking good. Okay. Again, this is the macro scenario. And again, most coins are looking like this. So you got to recognize the daily time frame is not going to be phenomenal for most coins. Having said that, we got all moving averages above the price action. However, this is where the proof, where the transition starts to occur, right? These are momentous indicators letting us know there's a shift in momentum happening. We've bottomed out for 5 days straight. And if we can break this most recent daily candlestick closure at like 440, 430 range, we're going to be in pretty solid shape here, okay? So again, taking a look at RSI, we're well under 50. Not great, that's construed as bearish. But money flow index is increasing. Stochastic finally swinging up for the second or third time now. It's a very, very positive sign, letting us know that some kind of relief is coming. We've broken this descending trend, no longer establishing lower lows and lower highs. Having said that, looking at the 4 hour, we're above the two more important moving averages, at least for a short-term trend reversal. Most recent point of control at 440 there, that's likely the bottom for Filecoin. We can also see the RSI here, stochastic RSI swinging up still, but it could shift momentum soon. Keep in mind, we could very well see a pullback if Bitcoin pulls back. Same thing here with MACD, and of course, we can see the RSI above 50. These are very, very favorable signs. We've seen the price action below 50 for a very long time. We haven't seen the price action above 50 in the RSI since June 9th. That's roughly 2 weeks of bearish divergence under the cloud and effectively in a descending type of trend. Breaking that trend, establishing that reversal is a very, very good starting point. Okay? So all we need to do is see higher highs and higher lows get established here, and we should be on the right track. Look at the hourly, we technically are making higher highs and higher lows, so there is that. And if we kind of zoom out a little bit here, take a look at our most recent point of control, we can recognize that today's point of control is 440. Okay? Being above that, closing above 440 today is extremely important. Having said that, if we look at the Ichimoku cloud, we can confirm we've got all green lights here to leave a long position open. Yeah. While this isn't like a glimmering, amazing situation here, it's still looking pretty solid here. Closing above this level here at 447 is awesome. We got this most recent highs that continue to get rejected out. Okay, so again, a lot of consistency here. So for the most part, the 440 point of control, that looks like a solid consideration for entry. Overall, I would not consider shorting this coin, at least not just yet. And again, the bottom is technically in. If we do take a look at the daily time frame, we can see, even though we established lower lows and lower highs here, it does look like we're seeing a lot more volume starting to come in here recently. Yeah, so again, overall, looking pretty solid here for Filecoin. I think this has a good consideration for further upside. We just got to kind of be patient, wait, and find a good opportunity. I think 440 might be a solid consideration. And then, of course, if the price does pull back a little bit further, we see a nasty candle wick down to the low $4 mark. That might be a cause for invalidation. Between now and then, though, as long as we stay above $4, I think we're in pretty solid shape. All right, folks. Thanks again so much for watching. Make sure you reference Bitunix Phenomenal Exchange. Link down below for this deposit bonus. This is only available till the end of the month, so just want to make sure you're aware of that. Also, join us on Twitter, Telegram, TikTok now as well for shorts, and then of course YouTube Shorts there as well. Yeah. Either way, look forward to work with you. jump on over to any one of those platforms, find what works best for you. We'll take it from there. I'll have our playout chart here posted to our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord here shortly. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.